What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. Today we're going to talk about how to create an Instagram business profile and how to change that little tagline on Instagram that displays under your name. I get asked this question all the time, so this is why we're making a video on it. A lot of the questions come from my Instagram swipe up links video. In order to do Instagram swipe up links, you need an Instagram business profile. So it's good to have an Instagram business profile in general anyways. You'll get additional features, additional analytics and insights, so it's just a nice thing to have. There's pretty much only one thing that you need in order to do this. You need to have a Facebook account and have a Facebook page. And we're going to be connecting the Facebook page to your Instagram account. But enough of me talking, let's hop on Instagram and I'll walk you through it.
Okay, so here we are on the Instagram app. And what we want to do to set up a business account is go to our profile. So we want to go to the one in the very right of the tab bar on the bottom of the screen. And then what we want to do is hit the settings icon towards the top right of the screen. And from here, we're going to scroll down until we see switch to business profile. And then we can tap on that. It's going to give us some information here that we can swipe through about the business profiles. And we can hit continue. And like I said before, you're going to need a Facebook page to connect this to. I think if you hit skip, it's going to take you to a setup to automatically build a Facebook page to create a Facebook page for you. So you could do that and go through this process. Or if you already have a Facebook page, you can hit choose page. And it looks like I only have 2 pages here. So I'm going to select other path. And then I'm going to hit next in the top right of the screen. It's going to say set up your business profile. So I'm going to put in this information here. Okay, so it says you need at least one. So I'm going to add an email. And just know whatever you put in here will be displayed on your profile. So if you don't want people to know your phone number, you probably don't want to put that in here. But then I'm just going to hit done. And from here I should be good to go. It says welcome other path. We can go to my profile and we can see that it's added that little tagline under my username that says brand. That's the thing I was talking about. The thing I get a lot of questions on is how do I get that little additional text there? I'm going to close out Instagram and open that back up. And then once you get going, you'll also get additional statistics and things like that. I think it wiped all mine out on this account because I removed the business profile to just show you how to do it. But let's switch to my other account real quick. Okay, and then you'll see in the top right, there's the 4 little lines. I can tap on that. And it's going to give me a whole bunch of insights here. Let me know if you guys want me to make a separate video on all of this stuff, how to work it and read it and look through it all. There's a lot there, so I'm not going to put that in this video. But you do get those additional insights, and when you go on a photo, you can hit view insights. It's going to give you a whole bunch of more information there for each photo and for each story post and all types of stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to change this tagline under your name. Go to your profile, tap edit profile, and then scroll down. And now they've added in this option called category, which makes this easier. So you can select a category right from this screen. And what you wanna do is tap on choose a category and then choose a subcategory. You can just pick whatever you want here. You can play around with these, like if you hit other than the subcategory, you can get just for fun. That's what I was on. But there's a lot of different options that you can get. So go ahead and just scroll through these and figure out one that you want, and then you can hit done in the top right. You can see it says just for fun there, and if I hit done, that's what it will display on my profile. Let's pick a different one real quick. Video creator. Done. Done. So now you can see that little tagline's been changed to video creator. And that's really all you need to do to set up a business profile and change that tagline to whatever you want it to be. You can't just type in whatever you want it to be. You have to select from one of their types of pages. But overall, creating a business profile is a good idea to get the extra things and the better analytics and insights. It can be really useful when trying to grow your Instagram page.
And there you have it. How to set up a business account on Instagram and how to switch that little tagline under your name to make it say what you want it to say. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop any thoughts or questions down in the comments and I'll try and answer those. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on mobile apps, social media, tech, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.